are the days of always having to reach for a rotary buffer to quickly and effectively remove light to moderate defects in paint. Thanks to our system of compounds, polishes, waxes, and our new DA polisher and thin foam discs, fast, effective, safe, and professional grade results using a dual action polisher are a reality. Today we're going to learn how to polish like a pro using the Meguiar's MT300 dual action polisher and all new DA thin foam discs, which can remove light to moderate defects and refine the surface to a flawless, swirl-free finish without the use of a rotary buffer. This will allow for better results in less time without the possibility of damaging or leaving rotary swirls on the paint. Thanks to rugged, professional-grade design, including variable speed and digital torque management, the versatile MT300 is the perfect tool for removing swirls, buffer trails, oxidation, stains, scratches, or in some cases, even 3000 grit or finer sanding marks. Of course, it's also the perfect tool for applying a coat of glaze, polish, or wax. Begin by washing and drying your car thoroughly, and if needed, clay your car using Meguiar's professional mild or aggressive clay to prep the surface for buffing. For removing serious defects such as heavy swirls, severe oxidation, stubborn stains or scratches, or even 3000 grit or finer sanding marks, we recommend using our Soft Buff DA foam cutting disc coupled with M105 Ultra Cut compound. Start by attaching the foam cutting disc and setting the speed dial between 4800 and 5800 OPMs. Apply the product directly to the disc, spreading it evenly for the first application to prime the pad, and then place the disc flat on the paint. Turn the machine on and begin working a small 2 foot by 2 foot section with 5 to 8 passes, overlapping 50% each time and using a crosshatch pattern. Apply moderate pressure while buffing, but make sure the backing plate continuously rotates for maximum defect removal. Apply additional product as needed and continue to work the surface until all defects have been removed. Remove any remaining product prior to polishing or waxing using our Supreme Shine microfiber towel. To further refine the finish and increase shine, or to remove any possible DA-induced haze, follow with Meguiar's M205 Ultra Finishing Polish and a new Soft Buff DA thin foam polishing disc. For this polishing step, prime the pad and apply the product with the same process as with M105, but lower the speed to 3800 to 4800 OPMs. Buff the paint with overlapping passes until the desired level of gloss and shine is achieved. Be sure to immediately remove any remaining product using a fresh Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Next, you will want to apply protection. In a body shop environment where painting takes place, we recommend our silicone-free M305 Ultra Finishing Durable Glaze. Apply the M305 to a Soft Buff DA thin foam finishing disc. Set the MT300 between 3800 and 4800 OPMs. Place the disc on the paint, turn the machine on, and begin evenly spreading the product across the surface until a thin layer has been applied. Once finished, remove the product using a separate clean Supreme Shine microfiber towel and admire the results. If you're looking for longer lasting protection, substitute M305 for your favorite Meguiar's wax, such as M21 Synthetic Sealant 2.0 or M26 High-Tech Yellow Wax. Reapply the wax to the disc as often as needed until the entire vehicle has a thin, even coat of wax on it. Once the wax is dry, use a separate, clean Supreme Shine microfiber towel for easy removal. There you have it. You learned how to polish like a pro in less time using Meguiar's MT300 dual action polisher and Soft Buff DA low profile discs.